To start tracking an SDK, begin by finding it in the SDK Explorer. Go to the Installed Removed Apps column, then click Track. To see all the SDKs you're tracking, click the Tracking button or View List. This will show you many apps added or removed, the SDKs you track, platform-specific performance, and more. To see which apps added or removed an SDK, click Show Latest Apps. You'll find changes from the last 30 days. You can also see details about each app, such as downloads, category name, and when the app added or removed the SDK. To learn more details about a particular app, click on its name and a pop-up will appear with additional information and insights. To compare apps, open as many as you like. If no changes have been registered, this will also be noted. Click Stop Tracking to remove it from your list.